Hello, good afternoon to all of you. In today's online discussions, we have covered the points that is selectivity. In that selectivity, we have studied the enantiomer selectivity and diastereo selectivity. Now, next points of this topic of the stereochemistry is the stereospecific types of reactions. So, in the stereospecific type of reactions, the total points are covered in the notes. You can refer the notes also because in the notes we have covered all the points whatever in the syllabus also. So you can prefer the notes. You can read the books. Total points are there in the books also. Both the books and the notes I have provided on your TY BSc chemistry groups. So you can start the study and start writing the notes in the simple ways. So and you can understand what is going on in the lecture also. You can read the previous also before the starting the lectures, and you can better understand the points of the syllabus. You can understand, you can ask the questions. For that purpose I made available the notes, which is most important. Very good notes are there, and along with their books is also there for the topic stereochemistry. So the students, now we are focusing on the next part, that is stereospecific reaction. Depends upon the chlorine atoms. So in the stereospecific reactions, the reactions in which the chemically different molecules of the reactants react differently and produces stereochemically different isomers of the products are known as stereospecific reactions. Hence, the particularly isomers of the reactants produces the specific stereoisomers of the products. If a particular enantiomers give a specific enantiomer of the product, then it is called as enantiospecificity. Here the examples is addition of the bromine added on the same sites, that will give the products on the same sites, and means here is the enantiomers we will get. Next example is the CS2 CS3 Br OH is added on the opposite side of the bromines, means where is the bromine, that opposite sides will be the OH, means specifically on the opposite side of the bromines. In the SN2 reaction, different enantiomers give different enantiomeric products, hence the SN2 reaction is enantiospecific. If the particular diastereomers of the reactants is specific diastereomers of the product, then the reaction is a diastereospecific. Example is the bromination of the transbutene. Here is the Br added on the alkene systems. Here addition reaction takes place. Bromination on the one side, that is 2,3-dibromobutane, that is enantiomer forms. The next point is the topicity. The stereochemical equivalence or non-equivalence of the different atoms or the groups in the molecules is called as topicity. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो इसमें देखा आपको देखना है कि व्हाट इज टॉपिसिटी एंड एक्सप्लेन विद एग्जांपल क्वेश्चन, इस तरह से पूछा जाता है. सो हम देखेंगे कि टॉपिसिटी को किस तरह से स्टडी किया जाता है. तो द स्टेरियोकेमिकल इक्विवेलेंस सिमिलरिटी और नॉन इक्विवेलेंस not similar of different items or groups ligands is called as topicity. So example is here, it is ethyl chloride. When they react with one of the items, that is Z is the group, that group replaces the hydrogen from the left side, so will be there here, and if it replaces on the right side, then it is on the here. So we can understand here that the Z can be replaced hydrogen items by different ways. If it is replaces if it is come in the opposite directions from the left sides, then we will get the Z items, means the hydrogen is replaces on that particular, and on the right sides it replaces on the hydrogen Z group will be on the left side. So we will get the enantiomers, means the topicity means what replacements, stereochemical equivalence or non-equivalence of different items of groups is called as topicity. Ligand, it is a group, means it is a ligands. It may be group of items also. So next part is the of this enantiotopicity is the we will study.
Topic. If two groups on replacement with any group gives same product, then we can say they are homotopic. Topicity can be divided into four parts as enantiotopic ligands, enantiotopic faces, diastereotopic ligands or diastereotopic faces. So let's discuss about enantiotopic ligands. Enantiotopic ligands are those atoms or groups which, when replaced by another group, gives one or more pair of enantiomers or optical isomers. As we have seen in the previous example, in this case, the replacement of hydrogen atom gives a pair of enantiomers. Therefore, the ligand hydrogen in this molecule is enantiotopic ligand. Enantiotopic faces. In case of a flat molecule like alkene or carbonyl compound, if a pair of enantiomers are obtained by attaching an atom or group to one or other face of the molecule, then they are called enantiotopic faces. For example, acetaldehyde is a flat molecule. If the nucleophile cyanide group
is the कंसेप्ट ऑफ द फेस, यानी जो भी कार्बोनिल कार्बन है इसको दो साइड से आप अटैक कर सकते हैं, एक तो नीचे से भी अटैक कर सकते हैं या भी ऊपर से भी अटैक कर सकते हैं। मीन्स द जो भी ग्रुप ऐड हो रहा है, जो भी लिगेंड ऐड हो रहा है वो अलग दो अलग फेसेस से ऐड हो रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पे वर्ड यूज किया गया है फेसेस। फेसेस, फेस से ऐड होना।
attaches to one or other of its face, then two isomers are obtained, which are enantiomeric. Hence, the two faces of acetaldehyde are not stereochemically equivalent, and they are called enantiotopic faces. Diastereotopic ligands. Diastereotopic ligands are those atoms or groups which, when replaced by another group, gives one or more pair of diastereomers or geometrical isomers. In the following example, the replacement of the two different hydrogen atoms results in geometrical isomers, which are also a kind of diastereomers. Thus, two hydrogen atoms are diastereotopic ligands. Diastereotopic faces. If a pair of diastereomers are obtained by attaching an atom or group to one or other face of the molecule, then they are called diastereotopic faces. For example, S2-bromobutane. On bromination, two hydrogen atoms can be replaced to form 2s3r23-dibromobutane or 2s3s23-dibromobutane.
देखिए, तो यहाँ पे कंसेप्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। यहाँ पर दो हाइड्रोजन दिए वाले हैं। डायस्टोटॉपिक फेसेस को ड्रॉ करना थोड़ा सा हार्ड प्रोसेस है। इसमें अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा आपको कि यहाँ पे फेसेस कौन कौन से हैं। देखिए यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन आइटम पे जहाँ पे ब्रोमीन से अटैक होने वाला है, एक है अबोव द प्लेन, एक है बिलो द प्लेन। ओके, सो ब्रोमीन आइटम जब ऐड होगा इसके ऊपर, तो वो भी जब अबोव द प्लेन वाले हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करेगा तो वहाँ पे अबोव द प्लेन आएगा, बिलो वाले से रिप्लेस करेगा तो बिलो द प्लेन्स आएगा। अब इसका देखेंगे आप तो इससे आपको समझ में आता है कि यहाँ पे जो दो है, यहाँ पे फेसेस आपको मिले हैं। फेसेस मिलने की वजह से यहाँ पर आप जो प्रोडक्ट मिल रहा है वो दोनों भी डायस्टोटॉपिक फेसेस है। ओके, थैंक यू।